Hello, my name is Jessica Garcia and I am excited to share with you my life vision and goals for the future. As a passionate entrepreneur, I currently oversee thriving fast food business in Bicada. However, my life project goes beyond just being a businesswoman. My mission is to make a positive impact on my community through my business, providing delicious and quality food that not only satisfy palate but also promotes a healthy lifestyle. In addition to my dedication to my business, I am committed to personal and academic development. One of my main goals is to complete my study and continue preparing to grow both professionally and personally. I firmly believe that education is the key to unlocking doors and achieving new levels of success in life. On the other hand, my family plays a fundamental role in my life project. My husband and my adorable dog, Canela, are my greatest support and motivation. They, unconditional love and constant engagement are the driving force behind my dreams and goals. I want to ensure that every step I take toward success has a positive impact on their life and our future together. Looking towards the future, my vision to continue growing as an entrepreneur and as a person. I want to expand my business, explore new opportunities, and contribute to economic and social development of my community. At the same time, I am committed to continue learning and growing, never ceasing to change myself and reach new heights. In summary, my life projects revolves around entrepreneurship, continued education, and love for my family. I am excited about what the future holds for me, and I am ready to face challenges that come my way on journey to success. Thank you for your attention and for being part of my journey.